What if I tell you that, lintels are unnecessary? Not completely. Traditionally, lintels were used to bear the uploads for openings. It was basically for openings like doors and windows. The lintels were used to bear the load that will come on top of the opening. But these days now, people just do lintel almost everywhere in the world. Everywhere. This is really a waste of resources, because those lintels, apart from the upload bearing, they are doing almost no work. They are doing almost no work because the rigidity it provides can also be obtained from the chaining we did on the ground. That's either the plinth beam or whatever. And also it can also be obtained for, let me say, for story building. You can also update that rigidity from from the beam. Then if it's not a story building, maybe if it's a bungalow, you can also update that rigidity from the roof beam. So lintels are basically not necessary. So if you are using 9 inches wall, it becomes much better not to use lintel, because 9 inches block will provide more balance in terms of the partitioning. That's the wall. You get more balance wall. But then if it is 6 inches also, you can also deal without the lintel. But then because the wall is not so balanced, so the rigidity, the cylindrous nature of it will not give you that exact thing you want. So in general, you don't need lintels in everywhere in the building, especially walls without openings. There is no need for lintel. There's no need for lintel. It is waste of resources. It can be dealt without. So, but if it is opening, then you can use lintel. But if there is no opening, there is no need. Even if you have to provide lintel for everywhere, the reinforcement for a place where there is opening should be more than the reinforcement where there is no opening. So maybe if you provide 3y12 for the places there is no opening, then at the place there is opening, you can provide, let me say, 4y12. So, but all these things are not necessary. Even if you do not put reinforcement all across, you can also achieve rigidity. So rigidity should be out of the reason why people put lintels all through. Because this lintel alone now, the cost of this lintel is not less than, to tidy this lintel, both the reinforcement, the formwork, the concrete, it is not less than, let me say, 5 million to do a house of this size. It's not less than 5 million if you want to achieve this lintel. So I feel it is a waste, and then it is avoidable without any structural implication. It is worthy to note that you can do this without lintel at the places that has no opening, and there is no structural consequence. It cannot cause collapse. So there is no need to waste such resources doing it. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for our next video.